I'm in my Facebook Messenger app, and here, as you can see, I received 3 new messages from this Facebook account. Now I'll show you the exact way to see or read messages without seeing. All you have to need, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on notifications. In notification settings, tap on advanced settings. In here, tap on notification history. Here, scroll down. Find out Messenger, then tap on Messenger. And here you'll find all messages that you received from your Facebook Messenger. From here you can easily read any message. We can see the conversation name, we can see the message received time as well. Are you there? Hi, hello. So this is how we can actually send message or read message without seeing. As you can see, these messages are still unread message. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.